There's no need for it.
I don't know drive, you know.
I don't know drive.
I set up. I set up last time.
Them hours there? Hmm? And where you really come from?
Yo, this is the younger generation nowadays. They don't know nothing about the teacher.
All they are doing is to show a mall on the road. This is a disgrace.
What I do? Big up to all of my people, you know? All my YouTubers, them big up in yourself all the time. Come with another video again. Yeah, man. Today we are talking about Popcaan. Yeah, man. Popcaan, I make a ride out with my friends, them. Man, Tanto blocks. Wicked this thing at night. Yeah, man. Big up in yourself, my people. And we have to watch a policeman. I make a search. When I say I make a search, I make a serious search. Yeah, man. As I see in a preview. Yes, my people. And yes, my people, have another man to talk about Vybz Kartel. Oh, Vybz Kartel intelligent. And him have style and pattern with him song. Yeah, man. Wanna check him out. Yeah, man. And another lady, I talk about road. Our government does a high up the road, a high up the road, I put mall upon mall upon mall. So the road that distance off in business shop high up. So when rain fall, I'm gonna flood out. People want to check it out. Yeah, man. Yes, my peeps. General got dead here and I'm coming. I'm coming in a daylight. My moms get cross. Everybody are sick. I have to just put him on tape and go brawl in. Check him out. Go up on yourself, my peeps.
There's no need for you to behave like that, you know. He said he doesn't own a firearm.
That's a proper search. And I am the police. You can always make a report if you think I did anything wrong.
That's fine. I can record as well.
Do your job, officer. Do your job.
Yes, my peeps. See that? Officer, them a take back his street. When I say them a take back his street, them a take back his street. Them a say, yo, them run straight. Take it back from all the area done them and all the generals, them will run it straight. Yeah? But, so you go, man, better than them kick you down or shoot you and kneel down in your neck. Yes, my people. Crazy things, you know, can happen, you know. Yeah, man. If you don't have nothing, you're not supposed to worry. When you have something over this, so you have to start worry. Yeah, man. So, my people, so you think done. Anyway, you're going to check out Popcaan Riding at night. Without no light. Big up on yourself, my people.
I don't know drive, you know.
I don't know drive for do.
I don't know drive, walk, I have in a vehicle.
Is that rich? Is that real rich? Is that real rich? Is that real rich over there?
Yeah, I race.
Oh, race. Oh, with the money, my boss. With the money. Clad! Good! He's not going to win any money here now. On the trace, what you call him, bastard? Trainer? Watch out. Yeah, win. Watch out, man. Brother, watch out. The Popcaan gone. Blood clot. Oh, sorry, never know stay still. Pussy. No, dog, you lose, dog. You lose. You lose. Oh, come back. Oh, hold on.
Him now.
Ready. Alright. Hold on, buddy. Take that. Hold on.
Go on now.
Alright.
Go on.
Yeah, me I do.
Go on, you can't win.
Yes, Popcaan. Big up yourself. You know, say. You're on some eagle riding though. Yeah, man. You're on some I go riding where you not have no light. And your friend them, Tanto blocks likewise, as a superstar. Want give it a life just like that, so easy for you look I go ride. Yeah man, do better than that. Just think about it smartly. Check your mama and we tell you, big up yourself, always. And remember, say, the boss car take the yard. And they coming back in the daylight to moms. Can you believe that? Moms get cross and ask him where I come from. As him step out of him car, moms the right of Randa wait. And confront him, put him on tape. Check it out, my people, because I not going to talk out everything. I not going to exactly know. I know what you. So big up in yourself. Have fun all the time. Boom.
Them hours there? And where you really come from?
Me and my friend them is down with have a chat, man. I don't think there's a problem. And you don't call me and me tell them me alright.
No, but you never tell me I stay up till daylight.
A long time I no go out, no day. A long time I no go out, you know.
No,
How long I no go out?
Listen, nobody start up them something there right now, here.
That one night, look how long, a long
It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter.
Cha. Time, cha. A long time I no go out and me ask before me go last night.
At
No
least
problem.
you going out, you're not caring about no here.
Alright, baby. Alright. Next time we are.
Yes, brother. Next time you go out and you not carry moms with you, you no problem. You now come back. Because right now, moms not trust you. You come in tired and mash up. Just a race to the bed. And walk on. That moms are wondering. You know? So next time, your moms live together. You have to know and make it know straight. I think the cause riffing, I think. So big up yourself. Hope you go straight. And do the wrong thing. Make moms catch up on you eventually. Careful, you know. Moms go down and watch a long time and you don't know. But anyway, my peeps, we talk about Vybz Kartel. The brother say, Vybz Kartel intelligent. Them are young youth, yeah. I know what go on Vybz Kartel levels. Anyway, check him out. I know see what I say. Have a pint. Wizard. Big up.
Yo, this is the younger generation nowadays. They don't know about the future. Honestly, I stop listening to dancehall music, but I kind of ease off it a bit. I focus on God mostly now, but it's become my own person. I like intelligence, individual intelligence. I'm in brain of a panda. I don't like them little artists about chopping and throat back and mockers. That's not my style. You understand? So when I talk about intelligence, that's why I listen to the teacher. Then the man said, the 2x them a fight. Everybody come and ask if you know why. Y plus 2x equal 9 to the maths. Take a 5. Now if you look above me, right? Work out the algebraic equation. The answer is -1 or -1. That's why in 2x to 5 because 1 over -1 in life. Now, how is it that this man sit down and think about this melody, this flow, this rhythm, and add the algebraic equation to it? If this man that teach me when I go to school, I'm going to get 3 in the maths. Will I get distinction? Because how is it that he put the melody with the rhythm and the algebraic equation makes sense? When he said do the maths, take a 5, you know, he mean like take a 5 and start, you know, think about it. But the 5, no, just look on the equation, man.
So you tell me, say, my brother, you tell me, say, that got some alien brain. That is like that, you tell me, say, you know, alien, because some alien think them way there. Yeah. Alien brain, I call it, man. Anyway, yeah, I agree. If you're not alien or something else. Yes. I'm to tell you. Check your levels. Can't think deep, can't think deep. Yeah, man. So anyway, government have put on some road surface 2030 plan. I tell you, say, it a gonna make some people rumble like all this lady where the road a build so high in front of business place. When rainfall and the water coming, totally a go wash out. But anyway, we know say the plan. No plan for the house, the plan for the road. And then build it in the plan. Different settings in for them plan. So anyway, my people, when you watch him, watch her, what she a say, and big up on herself. Guidance and protection. Subscribe and like to all the people them were there and watch me. And who not watch me yet. When you watch this, big up and thank you for everything. Yeah man, bless up on yourself. Always. Boom. Out of here. Next time. Yardman TV.
Now where do we go from here? All we are doing is to show mall on the road. This is a disgrace. It never been like this. Never in history. So as the rain fall now, the water just have it way to come in our place. Earlier than before and worse than before. No, I don't understand what is happening. And I will never understand what is happening in Port Morant, in Cotton Port Morant, St. Thomas. This is more than disgrace. Look at the road. So, the water now will get its way to come in, as I repeat. Earlier than before and worse than before. Because as the rain now, see them lifting the road now again with the mall and I don't know. I don't even know what to say. I don't know how to put it. I don't know what to say. So, me have to consider now to leave this place because as the rain falls, you know what is going to take place. Where do we go from here? What is this going on? What is this? Why they don't find a solution and do what to do? Do the appropriate thing in order for the road and the water to be corrected. I don't understand. I will never understand over the years. It is the worst this road in Cotton Street, Port Morant ever been. I don't even want to walk on the road to go to the square to video out there. The water out there smell. There could and there can and there will be an epidemic breakout in Port Morant. I am sure because the water is not smelling good all over the place. No, this is really terrible. We need some assistance like now. We need some assistance. The mall on the road is foolishness. All they are just sending in the water into people's home quicker and faster. I hope somebody will see this video, somebody in authority, and come to look at the situation, look at the condition, and correct whatever is going on. Thank you. God bless.